Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at a wireless streaming camera by EMEET, the StreamCam One. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user manual and some stickers if you're using multiple cameras so you can identify them. It also comes with a storage case for the camera. Opening the case, you'll see that it comes with the camera. You also have a lapel mic, a windscreen, and a USB-C charging cable. And it also has an adapter here for a USB-A. Going over some specs, this is a multi-camera, multi-platform streaming ready device. Uses a Sony sensor which supports HDR. It has one wireless magnetic mic and two built-in mics, 8-hour long battery life. It has the smart app EMEET Stream integration along with software for your PC and Mac. You can have one camera all the way up to 3 cameras and an optional mini tripod and a floor tripod that you can add separately. Some of the platforms that it works with: Facebook Live, YouTube Live, Twitch, DLive, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, just to name a few. The image sensor is a Sony 1080p with a sensor resolution of 2 million pixels, aspect ratio of 16:9, frame rate 30 frames per second. Battery life up to 8 hours. It weighs in at 265 grams. It has a micro SD slot on the back, and it uses Bluetooth 5.0. Taking a look at the camera, it's very small and compact. It feels well made. It has a black finish all around. On the top you have the lapel mic, and it just connects here to charge. So you can see it's a magnetic. And just put it back on there to charge. You have the status indicator LEDs on the side of the lapel mic, and here's the clip. Taking a look at the front of the camera, on the top you have a status LED, and then the bottom you have the microphone. Then you can see the lens, the front. Taking a look at the back, you can see you have the power button, and then right below that you have some status LEDs that will give you the charge status, the micro SD slot, the audio input, and then the USB-C charging input. On the bottom you have the reset button, and then the mount to mount on your tripod. Just taking some brief measurements so you can get a perspective. It's about less than 2.5 inches wide and just under 4 inches in length. Setting up the camera is fairly easy. To get started, you want to download the EMEET Stream app and then just follow the prompts to pair the camera. Once you have the camera paired in the app, you'll see the name. So this one has the 1300418, and then if you click on it, on the first icon here, you can do some image adjustments. So you have a bunch of settings here for exposure, the mirroring, camera mode, as well as filters. The icon next to that will bring it into landscape mode. You can do the zoom and then adjust a few more settings. As you can see here, the transition time, the move transition time, and then the default zoom. Moving over to the last icon here on the right, you'll have the option for the camera live stream and camera settings, and also remove the camera. Checking out the camera live stream options, you can see the different platforms, and then you can configure all the settings there. Camera settings, you'll have your network status. You can see the battery, the storage. As mentioned, you can use a SD card so you can format it, set a password, all the light effects, pretty much just your general settings. Going live is easy. You can see the upper right, the live button. So once you hit that, you set your video quality and then add your platform and then hit live. For my demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna record straight to the phone. So if you press the icon to the left of the live button, you'll see you can record locally, adjust your video quality, and then you can see there's no SD card, so it senses that. And then if you hit start recording, you can see it's recording now, and the camera is pointed straight to the box here. And then just stop recording, press the icon again, and then it's saved locally to my phone. So as mentioned earlier, you can use multiple cameras so you can get different perspectives. They did send me 2 cameras, but unfortunately the second camera is not functioning properly. So for this review, I'm just using 1 camera, and now I'm gonna show you the video quality and audio. All right, so I have the camera set up now, so you're seeing the video and hearing the audio. I have the lapel mic that it comes with. Camera is just a few feet away from me, and the setting right now is on 1080p. So as mentioned earlier, you can use this on multiple, social media platforms and go live, or some of the video conferencing apps. You can connect multiple cameras, but unfortunately the second camera they sent me is not functioning properly. But if you did have additional cameras, you can set them up on the side and get a different perspective. As far as the setup process, it was fairly easy. Once you download the app, just follow the on-screen instructions to get the camera paired up and set up. The battery life is excellent. It can go up to 8 hours. It's very portable and it's small, and I like that it comes with the storage case or carrying case and the other accessories. So definitely easy to take around on the go. If you like to live stream, whether you're indoors or outdoors, this is definitely a portable solution. So a couple of features that I like is that you can go live right away, or you can record to an SD card or download it straight to your phone. It will save it straight to your phone. So what I'm using right now is that option. It's recording and it's gonna save it to my phone. So versatile as far as the recording. If you don't have good signal outside, you can definitely use the SD card or download it to your phone. Okay, that will do it. That's a look at the StreamCam One by EMEET. If you're looking at a wireless portable solution, this is definitely something to check out. I left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.